Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. It's another day of Vlogmas. Today I'm going to be reviewing this cute calendar that I got from Snapfish. It's basically a website online, kind of like Shutterfly, where you can personalize all your items like calendars, mugs, pillows, blankets, and just put like pictures and give them as gifts. So I got this calendar for my fiance. I wanted something that we can display our pictures in, and this is a really nice, easy way of doing it because Snapfish makes it easy with really cute borders and personalized details. So I'm going to flip through this calendar and tell you what I think about the quality itself. So of course the calendar starts off in January. And this is the picture that I have for January. So the border itself just comes pre-made. There is some options to customize it. And what I liked about the website is that it made it very easy. So this is pretty much as is. This was a quick gift that I was trying to figure out for my fiance because I saw my friend use this service for, like, one of my coworkers used it because she made a calendar about one of the roosters at her job. So I looked at that. I loved it. It was adorable. And I was like, let me do that for my fiance and he might like it. So this is January, and then when you flip it, this is the month of January, and you can add important dates and include the pictures. So you're going to see that in the next month. But for January, I left it blank. I just kept, obviously, the national holidays. And then you get like an overview of December and February. Moving on to February. This is the picture I chose for February. The border is really cute. It has the hearts, the roses. This is actually a Halloween picture of 2018, I believe. And then here's what I'm talking about, important dates. So the 9th is my brother's birthday. So that's what I put. And I put a little picture of him. You could do that for any date or holiday. I thought that was really cute. But yes, this is really cute. The paper is really nice. Doesn't feel too thin or cheap or anything. And then for March, we have some St. Patrick's Day themed stuff here. I really like it. I think it's really nice. Again, simple. I don't have any important dates here. I ended up just putting like family dates instead of like too many other things just because I didn't have enough pictures that were relevant to the dates and stuff. But then we have April, which has this cute little rainy border. This was at Central Park. And he hasn't seen this calendar yet, so I'm excited. I hope he likes it. Nothing important in April for our family. Then we go into May, which is his birthday. And the border is really cute. And then I put a picture of him and one of our cats, Hazel, and it says his birthday on it. And I like this. I like having, like, being able to put a picture up for like special dates and stuff. I think that's pretty cute. Moving on to June, this is the border for June. Again, really simple. There are a lot of options to customize and add stickers, add text and stuff. But this was what I decided to choose. I was like not fussy, and I think the borders they chose are honestly really pretty as is. So I like it. June, nothing special for June. Now we have July. This is from the Natural History Museum when we went earlier this fall. And I thought it was a really cute, fun picture. It's done on the green screen. So I have the digital copy and like the physical copy, so I figured I would put the digital copy to use, and I thought this was pretty cute. This is July's month, nothing special. Then we have August, which has really cute popsicles. I don't have enough picture of us as a couple, honestly. Like, we don't take that many pictures for me to find something relevant from the summer months, but this was our Halloween costume this year. I was Giselle and he was Prince Charming, so I thought it was a cute enough picture to put there. The blue kind of pops. And then I have a picture of my mom in a snowstorm, and it's for her birthday. So there you have it. September is my birthday month. I really like the apples and like the changing leaves here. And again, I put another picture from the Natural History Museum. And there's my icon that says it's my birthday. I am a Virgo. Now for October, I love the border of this one. It has pumpkins and bats and candy corn. Really cute, really adorable. It makes it pop. And this was also Halloween of last year. I was Cinderella from the live action movie. Calendar, again, very basic. November has more acorns and changing leaves. This is a picture of us actually during the Christmas holiday season. These were our Christmas sweaters last year, which was like a Nintendo themed tree. It was my dad's birthday on the 5th, so I put that down there as well. And then, last but not least, we're finally at December. This is our most recent picture. We went to the New York Botanical Gardens to see the holiday train show, which I vlogged about earlier during Vlogmas. And I love the border of this as well. And then it's Max's birthday, so I put a really cute picture of him there. So overall, I will say I enjoyed the quality of this calendar. I think it's really nicely made. And it's very glossy, good material, nice weight to it. So I definitely recommend making them from Snapfish. Definitely recommend it. I got mine from Snapfish, even though there are other services that provide very similar things. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.